Alright, so we are at Hats, Hats, and More Bats. It is a version of Locket Link. Pretty cool since Halloween's coming up. Kind of gives you that little spooky feel. So we are starting at a 2-cent denom, dollar bat. See what happens.
Alright. That grand looked good. So does that major. Was it 1,300?
Yes.
That ain't bad. You just hit Dragon Link. First spin.
First time that's ever
The
happened.
volume all the way up, babe?
Yes, it is.
You always have to do that. That's where the machines hit. We had really good luck on the last one the last time. We popped it, what, like 3 times?
We have. It's before we started our channel. When we were getting a feel of what kind of games we like.
No, we need, the Haunted Houses and the Wilds.
No, yeah.
And you need
We
the
need
Dragon
3 of
Heads for the free
these.
games, yeah.
We need 3
but the
of
Haunted
those.
Houses are wild. And then the bats, if you get so many, you get into the feature
I
tail.
believe the bats are wild. They just
No,
sit
the bats are for the Locket Link feature, just like the hearts
yeah.
are. Yeah, the Haunted Houses are. You need 3 of the bats on the same row. Or 3 of those Dragon Heads. And we didn't hit very good when we picked the Locket Link fixture on this, did we?
No, we did better on the games.
On the free games, and we hit
Yes.
it huge the last time.
I believe it's 300-400.
We were getting all those haunted houses. That's how I know they're wild. Come on. I hear the boom. Here comes the boom, right? Remember that
We
song?
need more of them. Yeah.
Triple boom. Alright, come on. Let's get back on track, babe. Hey, here we go.
Aw,
Go.
bummer.
All we need is one more bat. Oh.
Oh.
I think they only come out on those 3 lines, too. On the 3 columns on the middle reels. It's a fun game, though. Oh, look at the pots on the bottom. That'd have been a nice line break. Boy, the slots here have been really off the last couple weeks, huh? They don't want to give you nothing back. Oh, 10 denoms.
What do you want to change it to?
Let's go to a penny. Oh, almost had my fingers on the screen. Oh, those have been nice, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the mini. Oh, and a 2,000. Couldn't give us the 3rd bat. Hey, you man the button, I'll man the computer. How about that? Oop, come on, baby. Oh. Go ahead. You're at what, 3? Go to 2.
I'm at 2.
You're at 2? Oh, stay on 2. Ah. Double noise are not even on the same line. Come on, bats. It's Halloween. You're supposed to be giving us stuff. Right? Oh. It's alright, we're gonna hit one big. You watch. It's a matter of time. You just hit Dragon Link. Oh. There we go.
Want me
Oh.
to quick spin?
Yeah, but the quick spin on this doesn't really work that well.
I can't.
It doesn't want to stop. Oh, it does on the computer, not on the button for some reason. Go ahead, try it up on the button. Gotta reset it. Alright, back to the 2 second. Boy, these slots here. They are being mean. Oh, there we go.
Yay, baby!
Bonus game.
Knew it was bad.
I told you it was gonna hit. Now we're gonna get it all back and then
We
some.
gotta go this one. This one was bad.
But you don't like the Locket Link bat spot, do you?
That was bad. We got paid shit
Yeah,
on
we got
that.
stiffed twice on
Got
plastic
paid
one.
really bad. Gotta go this
You like
way.
the free games?
We did better last time.
Okay. You know best. You're always a lucky one.
Not really.
Come on, haunted houses. Those are the wild. I like the music on this game. Oh! Hey, look, there's your little kitty.
Black cat. Not today, baby.
Last game? No. What was that? 19 bucks there?
$19. Wasn't very good for us
On
this
what?
time.
On what
1
were you
cent.
betting? 50 cents?
Yeah.
Oh, what were we just betting? A few bucks. Then we go back and down, we get the bonus.
Do you want to do for backspin?
Oh, absolutely back up. You hit this all the time. It can't be wrong. What, broken clock is right twice a day, right?
True.
Backup spin. Oh, that'd have been nice if the bat came down. That'd have been what? 10? Triple noise are not on the same line. Oh, How many you taking, hon?
One more.
Well, one more?
Well, we gave it a try. Spooky season's here. It hit, but not great.
All right, till the next one, all right?